Happy start to everyone. Here, Hema of 2nd B from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. We are going to discuss meaning, merits, and demerits, differences of direct and indirect taxes. So, first of all, what is taxation? Taxation is a practice of collecting tax, therefore money, from citizens based on the earnings and property. Taxes are classified as direct and indirect taxes. Direct taxes. Direct taxes is said to be the tax which is levied directly on the income or profit of the person who pays it rather than on goods and services. Direct taxes are usually based on ability to pay principal. Direct taxes are not passed to different person or entity as compared to indirect tax. Direct tax are progressive in nature because its purpose is to redistribute the wealth among the nation. Indirect taxation. Indirect taxation is a type of tax which is paid indirectly by the taxpayer. These taxes are shifted from one taxpayer to another taxpayer. It is levied on goods and services, which ultimately increases the price of goods and services. It is usually levied equally upon taxpayers, irrespectively of their income as compared to direct taxes. Indirect taxes are considered regressive because all rich and poor taxpayer has to bear the burden of the same value of taxes on goods and services. The next is merits of direct tax. Progressive, therefore imposed according to ability of the person to pay. Income elastic, revenue due to progressive nature. Civic consciousness, relative certainty of pursuit. Transfer of income from rich to the poor. Merits of indirect taxation. Relatively differently in evasion as realized at the appropriate point. Not pinching. Not necessary, regressive in differential and levied on autonomous basis. Discouragement to in taxation. Demerits of direct tax. Difficulty in determination of ability to pay tax. Tax evasion by way of undeclared sources of income. Pinching. Proper maintenance of accounts. Burden assessment pursuit. Demerits of indirect taxation. Regressive example taxes on necessaries means taxing the rich and the poor equally. No civic convenience. Uncertainty of pursuit. Backward forward shifting of burden. Tax evasion through smuggling, falsification of accounts, etc. Last but not the least is differences of direct and indirect taxes. The main difference between direct and indirect taxes, the burden of the tax is transferable. In indirect taxes, the burden of indirect tax is not transferable. Nature of the direct tax is progressive. Nature of the indirect taxes is regressive. All indirect taxes are imposed or on collected are from assess. Imposed or collected from consumer by the dealer of goods and services. It is very easy to avoid the direct taxation by hiding the extra income. In indirect taxation are not allowed because they are hidden in the sale price of product service rendered. Direct taxes are not levied equally, it imposed on the basis of low and high income. It is imposed on all taxpayers irrespectively of its low or high income. Thank you. Thanks for watching.